What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm guys showing you guys an update on the Audi. Like I said, it's kind of a continuation of the last video because I don't know what happened. The footage I took got all corrupted, and I don't know what happened. But after I like this grill for some what do you call it? Some grilled chicken I'm making, we'll show you the car. All right, I'm gonna open her up real quick. As you can see, her hood is on. Well, this thing broke. That thing that actually pushes the thing open and close, so we won't be shutting the hood. We will be, but yeah, oh well. But as you can see, we got the whole front together. I replaced the idle pulley down there because she was just a little noisy. Nothing, she wasn't bad yet, but she was gonna go eventually. Oh, screwdriver. I've driven around a screwdriver before. Other than that, so just gotta put the guards up right here and stuff like that, the bottom guards. Other than that, she's running good actually. There's a few things that's concerning, but we think it's just the car being Audi. So here's a good little startup for you guys. Nice and quiet. She's nice and quiet. Oh, I was waiting for it to like yell at me for the airbag and parking brake malfunction, which is not really real. Alright. So, very quiet now. She sounds really good. There's an exhaust leak down there. Because when I was working on it, I was trying to get the cat back onto the turbo. I broke the clamp, but the clamp was rotted off, so it didn't really matter. But other than that, the only thing we ever had come up when we started this the very first time was there was a low pressure thing, but it went away instantly. So it came on, went off, so we don't know. It didn't come back on when we were driving. I was revving it, the motor sounded perfectly fine, didn't sound noisy, didn't sound like anything was happening as I know of. So we're gonna go with this good. We're just gonna replace this thing right here. We're just gonna replace this guy here. This is basically the vacuum system, I believe it is, something like that. We have some oil going into the turbo from the old turbo, so I think that's where it's come from here. So I think this went, so we're just replacing it. But yeah, guys, so that's her here. She's running. Stupid Audi makes her no dipstick, so you gotta check oil pressure. Oh, oil, hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. For once, it gave me the oil right away. Usually I gotta wait like 2 minutes after the engine's like warmed up, blah blah blah, that stuff. But yeah, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one.